Today, I'm going to show you how to turn text to speech for free. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about computer tips and tricks.
That's it. Okay, all you have to do is going to clipchamp.com, and here you have to click on login, and you can log in with your Google account, Microsoft account, and anything you want. And here you have to click on create a video, go to record and create here, and you have text to speech. You have to click on this. As you can see, we have unlimited space for our text. Here we have languages, multiple languages. Diversity is really good. And here we have men and women voices. We have a lot of voices for female and male. And here we have slow, regular, and fast. We can make voice faster or slower, regular, that is normal. Okay, all you have to do is type something here. Hi, I am Techvi, for instance. And you can click on this to preview.
Hi, I'm Techvi.
And also you can save it. You have to save it just like that. And you can click on this and drop it here. And also you can click on export to save it. The only thing is really important here is we are saving our voice in MP4 format. We have to convert it to MP3. So first I have to save it on my desktop. And if you want to convert it to MP3, this is really simple. You have to go to Google and search MP4 to MP3 converter. And here, for instance, this one is a good one. You have to go to this site, cloudconvert.com, MP4 to MP3, and select file. Select your file where you download it. And you can convert it really fast and download it.
Hi, I'm Techvi.
That's it. You can create robot voices and you can create any voice you want, female, male. And this is really perfect because you're using AI, artificial intelligence. If you have any problem with this process, don't forget to comment below. And if this video was useful, don't forget to like.